Oh, I wish I had some light here. Mouse boy. I can't believe he called me mouse boy. I can't believe he called me mouse boy. Do what?
I'm gonna try to spin this now. They got the off.
Okay.
I think it'll spin.
Can I raise this pipe up? Don't break my fucking legs.
You good where you're at?
Yeah, good. Yeah. Meanwhile, I'm on fish up with my leg. Yeah. Is it going?
No, it's spinning on that motherfucker.
Oh shit. Ain't the greatest. You just ain't got the ass. Just say it, brother. It's cool.
I don't know, because I'm killing myself doing that fucking retardedness. Stupid shit.
Oh, little warning. I didn't. Whoa.
Got it?
I got it.
Oh fuck, it's gonna go now.
Oh yeah. So that was the problem all that time, huh? Glass is about to slide right off my face.
You got it?
Alright. Now here comes the fun part. Trying to spin that 90 off with the wire in it. Oh man, oh man. Whoa, whoa. You know how heavy this 90 got when you dropped that wire?